Hello students, in today's video we will be seeing the continuation of impact of British rule in India, that we will see the impact in police system and military system. So in the previous videos we have seen about how the British came to India, how they extended their rule in India and what were the impact of British rule in India. So we started with the impact in civil service and the impact in judicial system. So today let us see the impact of British rule in the police system of India. The police were in charge of maintaining the internal law and order situation. That is, the main duty of the police were maintaining internal law and order. Lord Cornwallis implemented efficient police system in India. And it was Lord Cornwallis that he created the new post of Superintendent of Police, that is SP. The post of Superintendent of Police was created by Lord Cornwallis. Districts was divided into many stations. One single district was divided into many stations, which was taken care by Kotwal. Every village was taken care by Chowkidar. So the officer in charge of villages were Chowkidar, and districts were divided into stations, which was taken care by Kotwal. Kotwal was made accountable for thefts, crimes and other law violations at the village level. So if there is any violation which is happening in the village level, that was taken care by Kotwal. In 1770, the country faced a severe drought. And after the drought, the law and order situation of the country became very weak because the situation was of severe drought, and because of this drought, the law and order situation of the country became weakened. The entire police system was brought under the control of British officers. So when the law and order situation became very weak, the British immediately said that now we are going to take over the complete control, and the entire police system was brought under the control of British officers. The British magistrates started to be appointed in 1781. So from 1781, British magistrates started to be appointed. So Lord Cornwallis was a person who implemented an efficient police system in India, and he was a person who created the post of Superintendent of Police. Every district was divided into many stations, and each station was taken care by an officer called as Kotwal. And every village was taken care by Chowkidar. Kotwal was made accountable for thefts, crimes and other law violations at village level. In 1770, when the country faced a severe drought, the law and order situation became very weak. And during this time, the British officers took over the entire police system under their control. In 1781, the British magistrates started to be appointed. Police officers were under the magistrate. So magistrates were appointed in 1781 and the police officers were under the power of the magistrates. The complete police system underwent continuous changes. So when British came to control the police system, it underwent continuous changes. The police law was implemented in 1861, but Indians were not appointed for the post of officers. So whatever new rules and regulations came, everywhere Indians were not given the position, or they were not given the post of officers. In 1902, the Police Commission Law was implemented, and this allowed the appointment of suitable education qualification for the post of officers. That means many Indians were there who had qualifications which were enough to make them police officers, but they were not being appointed as officers. Only Britishers were being appointed. So what happened in 1902, the Police Commission Law, a new law was implemented which said that if any Indians have suitable education qualification, they have to be appointed for the post of officers. But even after all this effort, the discrimination against Indians did not end. That is, continuously Indians were discriminated. That is, they were not given any higher post. Higher posts all were occupied by the Britishers, and Indians were always given lower posts. So we saw what all changes, what all impact British rule had on Indian police system. Lord Cornwallis implemented an efficient police system and he created the post of Superintendent of Police, and districts were divided into stations which were under Kotwal, and villages were taken care by Chowkidar. Then after the severe drought of 1770, entire police system was under British control. In 1781, British magistrates were being appointed and police officers were under magistrates, and police law was implemented in 1861, but Indians were still not appointed in the post of officers. In 1902, Police Commission law was implemented, which said that if Indians had suitable education qualification, they can be appointed for the post of officers. But even after all this effort, the discrimination against Indians did not end. Next, let us see the impact of British rule in the military system. Military was the base of administration during British rule. That is, British main intention only was to conquer and add many places to their empire. So basically the most important base of administration was military. Indians were appointed for the military, and with their help British took entire India under control. So you have to see the point. See, Indians were appointed for the military, but with the help of the same Indian military, the British took control of India itself. So that is what British did. They used our own people to occupy our own place and take it under their control. The main officers were always British, as we have discussed in the police system. In military also, the main officers were always British. The Indians could only reach till the rank of Subedar, which was the highest post available to them. Only till the post of Subedar, Indians were given promotion. After that, all the officers were Britishers. Most of the Indians were like coolie soldiers, that is, they have to just work as what British tell them to do. That is, they were just like coolie soldiers. Whatever British tell, they have to obey and they have to do. Based on the recommendations of Peel in 1857, the military system was redesigned. That is, after 1857 revolt or after the Sepoy mutiny, the person called as Peel recommendation came, and that time the military system was redesigned, and there was many decisions made in the Peel committee. So that is what military system impact of British rule is. Military was a base of administration during the rule of British, and Indians were appointed for the military, and with the help of Indians, British took control of entire India. The main officers were always the Britishers. The Indians could only reach till the rank of Subedar, which was the highest post available to Indians. Most of the Indians were like coolie soldiers, and later in 1857, based on the recommendation of Peel, the military system was redesigned. So in the last two videos, we have seen about the impact of British rule in administration. We have seen about civil service, judiciary, police system and military system. I hope all the points are clear. If you have any doubts, please do feel free to ask your doubts in the comment section. If you like the video and if you like my channel, please do subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. I hope to see you soon in the next video. Thank you for watching.